Pterodactyl here, and today I'm going to show you right here, right now, the number one reason these small engines won't start. Are you ready? Old fuel. 90% of the equipment that comes in our shop is old fuel. Now you'd think by the year 2022, people would understand how fuel works, that it gets old and it gets bad. And that's the number one thing we see in our shop. Clogged carburetors, old fuel. So you're probably asking yourself, Taryl, what do I do to combat old fuel? Well, there's a couple things you can do. One of them being, drain out the old fuel. Get it out of that small engine. Get it out of that piece of lawn equipment you own. Take, for instance, this float bowl on this carburetor. It's got a drain. Check your carburetor. It may also have a drain. That's the best way. Drain it out. Another thing, run it out. Run it completely out. Run it dry. Or you might be thinking, Taryl, what if I put some of those additives in there that they sell? You know what? We did a whole series of videos on those additives. And you better call a doctor because the results are gonna blow your mind. Well, there you have it. That's the number one thing we see in our repair shop is old fuel. Ruining these carburetors and keeping these small engines from running. So, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. I'm Taryl. Go to our web store. Buy some of the stuff we have. We have products on there. We have all kinds of Taryl apparel. Check it out. There might be something you want. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, there's your dinner. There's your fuel dinner. Old fuel.